the system, and I'm going to use a prototype number 3. But actually what that means is that we're almost done with the treatment. So here is quite warm, and here the area which we haven't done is quite cold. And this function is extremely good, for example, for large areas, for example your the legs and so on, for example my arms and so on, because you can actually do the treatment really quickly. I'm going to do it with my left hand. So I'm going to put the gel here as well. So we're going to do the both areas quite quickly, so you can actually see how quick the treatment is actually carried out, and it's extremely easy and it's very difficult to get it wrong. Just going to get the gel all over. What we've done, we just shaved the area. So what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to actually start the system, and I'm going to use a prototype number 3. It's just that this is the easiest way to actually use the device. It's the easiest way. So I'm going to do it the easiest way. So we're just going to go ahead and do it. Okay. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just getting the gel on. And remember that in this case we've actually done the treatment 3 times, and there's almost gone. All the excess hair is almost gone. So we've done this. So I should actually wear the safety glasses. Do not follow my example. So do what I say, as we say. Don't do what I do. So be safe. Just follow the safety procedures. You should use gloves and all that, but just for the sake of this video, so you see how easy it is to actually perform the treatment. And just now we're going to go ahead. So very important to actually get the device on before we start the treatment, so that the head is completely cold by the time we start. So I'm going to start it. Yes, there we are. So I'm going to start it right now. It's very easy. Can you do that, Can you do that, Thang lama. So I've got to move quite quickly, because otherwise it's too painful. And it feels as if you've got needles into your skin. Muy caliente. So this area is already quite hot. Actually touch here. If I touch here right now, here is very cold, and here is getting quite warm. So actually what that means is that we're almost done with the treatment. So here is quite warm, and here the area which we haven't done is quite cold. So we're going to do a little bit more, and we're done really. So there's no hard and fast rule as how long you've got to do it, but if it's becoming a bit hot, then you're actually almost there. You can actually get this treatment done within 1 session, but pretty much within 3 to 4, sometimes 5 sessions is going to be okay. Just going to go and do the last time. Actually touch it. It's quite warm, so we are done with this area. So if I actually go touch here now, here is quite warm and here is very cold. It's because I haven't done a treatment. So we're going to do the treatment here, and you actually see how fast it is. I'm going to do it with my left hand. So obviously just follow what the customer is feeling. If it's too hot, just stop for a while. Just move quite quickly all over the area. So she's feeling it's too hot. So I'm almost finished. Very simple. Okay, so that's almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. That's it. So we're actually done. So this is how quick the treatment is. And so this is the way you actually perform this treatment. And this function is extremely good, for example, for large areas, for example, the legs and so on, for example, my arms and so on, because you can actually do the treatment really, really quickly, and you cannot get it wrong. Just make sure that you get the gel on and you do not overdo it. That's very, very important. Don't overdo it, and within 3 to 5 sessions you should get very, very good results. So this is how easy this device is to use. No, I'm not going to show you the advanced function, because it's just a bit more complicated. But if you just begin with this function, you're going to get extremely good results, and you can actually treat the whole body. Remember that the other function that you're getting with this device is that you're also getting the skin rejuvenation as well at the same time. So it's an absolutely amazing device. And remember that this device has got the CE medical certification, so it's good to go for 2020, for May 2020, and there's also, if you want it for the United States, you can get it as well.